The new addition to the Lexus lineup will be arriving on local beaches within the middle of 2023, and whilst it does, it'll introduce an AWD, pure battery-powered mid-size SUV with 230 kilowatts and about 450 Newton meters, up to 450 kilometers of range and space for 5 adults. Not exactly modern stuff, but the RZ does present a few capabilities with a view to make it stand out. Manufacturing of the new version hasn't yet begun, however. In anticipation of the release next year, Lexus Australia flew in a pre-manufacturing model to provide a first taste of what the RZ450e has to offer, and a threat to experience a number of the specific factors that'll get chins wagging and heads turning. Firstly, the RZ isn't always genuinely an exclusive body rolling at the equal chassis and electric bits as the UX300e. With the donation of Toyota's e-TNGA platform, the RZ has an entirely one-of-a-kind architecture. In reality, the RZ will simplest be to be had as an electric-powered version and no longer alongside petrol or hybrid siblings. While Lexus's first EV is confined to the front pressure, 150 kilowatts and approximately 360 kilometers of range, the RZ usathe performance stakes in all regions and is greater common. More carefully associated is the coming Near RX, which additionally uses the e-TNGA platform to introduce a plug-in to the own family, if now not a full electric model yet. Lexus's task into extra sustainable motoring is gaining momentum, and its rising variety of motors are demonstrating that low-carbon, responsible car production and possession is set far greater than simply phasing out petrol electricity.